Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter oatmeal cookies. In the bowl I have a half a cup of butter. To that I'm adding a half a cup of peanut butter. A half a cup of sugar. And a half a cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to cream this together. Scrape down the bowl. And I'm going to add 1 egg. If I can get it out of the carton. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to set this aside. In this bowl I have 1 cup of flour. And to that I'm going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add this to my wet ingredients. Scrape down the bowl. And I'm going to add a cup of oats. And I've got my oven preheated to 350. Parchment lined baking dish or baking pan. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of the cookie dough on the pan. There's my cookies laid out. And put them in the oven for 12 minutes. Now, if you wanted to, you could use chunky peanut butter, smooth peanut butter, whichever you want. You could add chopped nuts to this. And make these how you would like to make them. So I'll be back in a little bit. Bye. And I'm back with a plate full of peanut butter oatmeal cookies. Let's give this a little taste. Soft, chewy, a decent peanut butter flavor. A little bit of crunch from the oatmeal. Overall, it's a good cookie. So, hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. You give it a like, please subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.